Just like with your face, you should definitely have a body skincare routine as well. If you want to keep the skin of your body ageless, the routine is shorter, but it's definitely impactful. Obviously, and hopefully, we all take a shower in the morning. Well, I do. So step 1, exfoliate. I have tried a variety of acids in a body wash, and I find these by Naturium to be the most successful ones because they're not that expensive, but they also do not dry out my skin. Glycolic acid, for example, is definitely used to smooth your skin. So if you have any body bumps, imperfections, even if you have crepey skin, glycolic acid is a must. If you have breakouts on your skin, a lot of people get them. Salicylic acid is definitely a must. I don't get a lot of breakouts, but I do find it better to use these in a combination just for preventative reasons. The only thing that I don't like about them is that there's no pleasant scent, and I crave that pleasant scent in my shower. I don't just rely on that scent to wake me up, but I also rely on it to put me in a better mood, to elevate my mood, bring me joy in my life for the 15 minutes that I'm in my shower. I always combine it with something that smells good, and it's definitely any one of the Salt and Stone ones. I'm in love with all Salt and Stone products. The bergamot and hinoki is my favorite one, but I also like the saffron one. Just a matter of preference. Definitely the best hinoki scent if you like the scent of hinoki. Very subtle, but it's also extremely elegant, very sophisticated. Gel consistency, they leather up a little bit, but also they cleanse you, they hydrate a little bit. Absolute perfection. I also use their deodorants. They are natural and they actually work, so I highly recommend those as well. I have been also loving this Goop Glow product. It's not very scrubby, but it is a microderm, technically polish. You will gently exfoliate your skin, and yes, it will definitely make your skin glow because the scrubby polish parts are also mixed with this oil. So the mixture of them is absolutely incredible. So it makes your skin glowy and beautiful and smooth. And especially if you have crepey skin, I do encourage you to use something with a bit of a scrub on it. Let's talk about this body sponge because I have been using this and repurchasing this for about 10 years. It says anti-cellulite body wash, and it's this sponge. It comes in a variety of different scents. I like the aloe one. This is anti-cellulite. If you have a lot of cellulite, let's be fair, there's no product like that on the market that will completely remove it. But this is incredible because it exfoliates, it massages, and it smooths over while it also moisturizes. It will minimize the appearance of cellulite, also crepey skin. This contains seaweed extract and also caffeine, and both of these are, as you can see, concentrated here. When you wet the sponge, it becomes a little softer and you can use it up to 20 some times. This is the most inexpensive but also the most effective way. I have noticed it definitely tightens my skin. Now when we're dry, we want to hydrate. This is my most used product for the last few months. This is by Josh Rosebrook. This is the body acid serum. This will transform your skin. I don't apply it absolutely all over my body. I usually apply it on my legs, on my stomach, my shoulders, sometimes my arms. Unifies my skin tone. My skin becomes a little firmer but also super smooth. I'm in love with this product. This is an acid serum, so you technically also exfoliating, but the acids here are very low concentration. This mostly smooths but also hydrates. If you have very dry skin, supremely dry skin, and if you're looking for a product that will soak in immediately, the body butter melt. This is super hydrating. Most of the time I only use this kind of on top of my shoulders and my legs if I'm very dry. This is a little heavy for me because I'm not that dry, but if you're very dry, visibly dry, this will cure you in 15 minutes. It will transform your skin because it's supremely hydrating. It's not heavy, but it's very hydrating, and it has a very nice bit of a citrusy scent. Yeah, it smells very pleasant. Tatcha, the indigo body cream, I've been using for I don't know how many years, maybe 14-15 years, and this cream is blue. It doesn't stay blue on your skin. One of my favorite body creams. It has a very lightweight texture, but it sinks into the skin immediately. I don't want to apply anything very heavy in the morning because when I put my clothes on, I want to be comfortable I don't want to wait around for 2 hours until creams and etc. sink into my skin before I put my clothes on. And this is not one of those. This actually comfortably hydrates me. It gives me a slight glow, but once it sinks in, it just comfortably hydrates. A few years ago, I started getting these bumps on the kind of the back of my arms. And this is the one that in a couple of weeks, it pretty much removed them. This is called keratosis pilaris, by the way, those little body bumps. A lot of people get them. Now we have a special product for that. This is by Remedy, and this is specifically designed for body bumps. I wish I had this product a few years ago when I had my body bumps. A lot of people actually get them on the kind of on their thighs as well. Little annoying bumps that, number one, don't look pretty, and they get kind of aggravated occasionally and they get a little reddish. I'm actually in love with all the Remedy products because this is designed by Dr. Shah. His products are crafted, targeted for a single issue, and I love that. And it's the same with this product. It doesn't contain a lot of ingredients, but it contains the ingredients that will fix body bumps. The skin rehydrating gel actually nowadays has been my go-to because it is, yes, a gel, but it sinks immediately into the skin, makes my skin very comfortable, and I can wear white clothes and a skirt or something very, very tight without messing it up. This brand is incredible. The packaging, the textures are incredible. This is extremely high quality, and I think it's underpriced. No scent, and I love that because if I want to apply it in the morning, I kind of don't want it to clash with my perfume or my body wash. This is the product for you because you will soften the skin and kind of smooth it a little bit without even knowing that there is a product there. And it's specifically designed for busy professionals like me, for fast-paced people who do not want to think about the products that they're putting on their body. They just want something very fast that is going to work. Supreme product. Absolutely gorgeous product. And the water bomb. Don't laugh at me sometimes when I'm fully dressed and I'm wearing, let's say, shorts or a skirt or a dress, and I already have my heels on. I really don't want to bend over. I don't want to sit down to do anything. I just want to spray my legs. If I had forgotten to hydrate them, I want to spray them with some hydration. And this is what this does. So this is the lazy girl approach. Cools you down a little bit. It hydrates you. It also smells very pleasant. I am loving this. Like a spray of water. It's not greasy. I don't even think there's oil here. This is genius. For lazy girls or busy professionals or someone who does not want to wrinkle their suit or their dress, this is it. Now we have hydrated the body. If you have exposed parts of your body and you know you're going to be exposed in the sun for a prolonged amount of time, you always wear sunscreen. I do have to mention, I don't consider my neck and this part here, pretty much part of my décolleté, I don't consider that part of my body. Everything that I apply on my face, I also apply it on my neck and my décolleté. Technically, you should go all the way down to your nipples. That's your décolleté. But generally speaking, I do not apply any of these products on my neck because I already have skincare on my neck and also part of my décolleté. And I'm only mentioning this because I've already applied sunscreen on my face. And if I have applied sunscreen on my face, that means that I've also applied it on my neck and my décolleté and probably also the back of my hands. This is the only one that I technically, in a regular life, if I don't go to a beach, this is technically the only one that I like. Sometimes if I want a little glow, that I'll apply the Body World by True Botanicals. I love this. Let's apply a little bit now. This is a very watery oil. Honestly, I love using it on my hair as well occasionally. But how beautiful is it? And smells incredible. Incredible. Ah, smells so good. So good. Let's apply a little bit on the hair. Just for the flyaways. Look at the glow. And yes, this is because it's more of a watery oil. This doesn't stay on top of your skin. In a minute or so, it will actually kind of sink in, but the glow will stay. But it's not a oily oil. If I apply it all over my arms and if I go to work, when I put my elbows on my desk, I don't slide around because I hate those oils. This is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful product. Now, what I do at night is also very important because at night we repair. At night, the routine is super fast. And right now, actually, this is my favorite product. This is called a software update. I love the name. I love the packaging. And this is also the highest concentration of retinol that you can find on the market. It has 0.25% of retinol. I've seen 0.1 before. This is double the dosage. It is a lot, but it works. Retinols usually on your face and on the body. On the body actually take even longer to work than on the face because the body skin is different. This is the fastest working product that I have ever met in my life, and I am also including face products. So retinols on the body will obviously help with crepey skin, with rough skin, with even wrinkles. If you have loose skin, I mean, it depends on the extent obviously, but it will tighten the skin as well. When I saw that working a little bit on my stomach and etc., you know, I want to have very, very smooth, very tight skin on my stomach because I want to show off that six-pack. Got far away from it, but you know, a four-pack, let's call it a four-pack. But I want to have smooth and glidey, beautiful, glowy skin on my stomach. When I saw it working, I wanted to buy 6 more of these and apply it all over my butt so I can tighten everything in the back. Now, I'm joking about it. It's not going to do that, but this is definitely the best retinol for the body that I have ever met. I love this product also specifically because it sinks into the skin immediately, so I can jump right in bed. I don't have to think about my sheets. I don't have to think about everything sticking to me. This retinol is amazing. The other retinol that I really like is by True Botanicals. True Botanicals got certified to be pregnancy safe and clean skincare. Technically, when you think about it, if you're pregnancy safe, if you got certified as a skincare brand, that's definitely the true definition of clean. Because the term clean is a little wonky, right? Nobody has the definition. Skincare is not regulated. There's no authority that regulates it. So you really don't know. But when a brand gets certified to be pregnancy safe, then we definitely know that the ingredients that they're using are safe for a lot of people. Now, that doesn't mean that it's guaranteed that you're not going to be sensitive or allergic, because you may be sensitive or allergic to what a lot of people consider clean ingredients. So that's why I say clean. It's not necessarily safe, but True Botanicals actually comes the closest out of any brand on the market. Sometimes if I want extra hydration or if I want to sleep comfortable, then I use this product by Nacht. This oil is insane. This is a lullaby in an oil because the scent itself will kind of put you to sleep. It's incredible. It's absolutely incredible. We talk about aromatherapy, right? This is aromatherapy and it puts you to sleep. It's called a sleeping oil for a reason because the scent itself relaxes you, puts you to sleep. I'm very much impressed by Nacht. I've spoken about the face mask and also the serum. They are another German company that I absolutely love. I've used a lot of body products and currently these are my favorite, and this is the routine step by step. I'll just also keep in mind retinol and other products, all that takes time. Be consistent. Be patient. You will see an improvement, and by next summer you will probably have a completely different skin. And some of these products obviously can help you show off a little leg or a shoulder. No matter what though, you're all beautiful. But if any of these products will make you feel better about yourself, will give you a little bit more confidence to show off a little leg and to buy that beautiful black dress, then this is the routine that actually works for me. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon.